Hello and welcome. My name is Magnus Oraka. If you're a Yoruba man and you're watching this video, please don't get me wrong. I'm not doing these videos because I want to deliberately or mischievously attack a whole race. This is not what it's all about. It's a very different perspective that I'm on to here. There's something going on in the Southwest that is bothering me. And it is the distraction of the Yoruba people towards Igbo. I'm trying to ask myself the question or understand the scenario where Fulanis are systematically raiding the Yoruba land, and they are being brave about it. They are being bold about it. I'm just trying to imagine that Igbos go into the schools or go into schools or IPOB. Let's say IPOB, members of IPOB go into any school in the Southwest, abduct children. Imagine a scenario where you watch a video, you tell someone to Emeka, because Bonia, do Bonia. And Yorubas know that the Igbos that are doing this thing. I can imagine what will be happening in Yoruba land now. All the shops, in fact, every Igbo man in fact, by now they've run come out every Igbo man for Lagos. So I'm imagining, while you are fixated on your hatred on the Igbos, are you really telling me that you are not seeing what the Fulanis are doing in your land? And the best you could do is to carry placard and protest on the street. Yeah? A Yoruba man is the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. He's the one controlling the military. He's the one controlling the police, the whole security apparatus. He's the one in charge. And yet it is his own region that the same Fulanis are going into and are atrociously beheading Nigerians. And your concern is Peter Obi not becoming president. Are you kidding me? Are you really kidding me? You are not seeing that your president, a Yoruba man, does not care about Yoruba man's life. Otherwise, they are sending a message to him, and all he could say is that it's obedience of love. That it is the obedience of love. That what they are doing to Yoruba people is love. Look, it's okay not to have sense, but to be foolishly senseless baffles me. I'm not insulting you as a Yoruba man. Please, this is not what I'm doing. I'm just trying to see if I can drag you into realism. That's the best I can do for you. My name is Magnus Oraka. Please follow this page and share this post now.